Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I will show you how to install Canon MF3011 printer driver in Windows 11 in 2026. For that, you just have to open any of your web browser on your PC or in your laptop. Here in your web browser, use the search bar and search for Canon MF3011 printer driver. Now, when you search for it, you just have to hit enter. After doing so, you will find a bunch of different links from the official website of Canon. So you just have to click on any of the links that are provided over here. For example, let's say when I clicked on the first link, as you can see, it is going to show you this download button. On the top, you will see that this particular driver is compatible for Windows 64-bit and it is for MF3010 MF drivers. So here, simply click on the option of download, then click on the option of save. Now this driver will start to download and it will be downloaded in your device successfully. So when it is done, simply double click on it and install this driver on your device. Now you can also come back here on this particular page. Now you just have to simply click on the second link. You can also click on the third link if your Windows support 32-bit. So here on this particular page, you just have to make sure that the drivers tab is selected. Afterwards, click on the option of Windows 11 if it is not selected already. Then it is going to show you two different links in front of you. So we have Windows 64-bit, so you can download this particular printer as well. You can also download this one, which is basically the same which we have discussed earlier. So this way you will be able to install Canon MF3011 printer driver in Windows 11 in 2026. So I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.